What's going on, guys? Firework 24 here, back at it with another video. And I just came back home today and I got surprised with these new fireworks. This is actually my little sister's, so she ended up getting these. She got another Excalibur shell. She got two of them. I'm surprised. And she got these. She got Saturday Night Special. I'm not sure. I think this is a 500-gram cake. Oh yeah, it is. I've seen a demo of them. They're alright. Then we got the Beat the Heat 36 shot by Ninja. And we got Magic Carpet 25 shot by Brothers. I've seen a demo of this one, the Grand Canyon 16 shot. It's pretty good. Then we got the, the bling blings. Can't go wrong with these. I got like 4 of these right now. These are my favorite ones. These are my favorite 200-gram cakes. And she got a Blockbuster, All-American Blockbuster. Pretty cool. Yeah. These are my little sister's pickups. Added to the collection, I guess.